welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe and join the family. So today, as you've already seen from the thumbnail, we are going to be unboxing this selfie stick tripod. You don't know how happy I am. Like, this thing came really fast from JUMIA. I ordered it 2 days back, and then I got called this morning that I should come and collect my order. Like, I was surprised. Like, the person was like, okay, I'm in your street, come collect your order. I was like, how come? So they sent it straight to my house because I actually put in the address that I wanted it to be delivered to. So this is how it came. This is how it, I've actually opened it. Sorry, my bad. That's because I needed to confirm that it was the item that was in there in front of the delivery man, just so no mistakes after he has left, so that in case anything, maybe there's something broken or there's something wrong with the order, so I can just return it immediately, and there will also be a witness to it. Like, it's very important to always open your order from whether JUMIA or AliExpress or whichever site you buy from. Make sure you always open it in the presence of the person delivering it to you. So I got this package from JUMIA. In here is the selfie stick tripod, which I know many of you may have seen elsewhere or maybe haven't. But the reason why I got this is because, you know, I don't know if you guys noticed or if you guys know, I don't have a ring light yet and I don't have a tripod yet. So when I saw this selfie stick ring lights online, I actually wanted to order it because it was very much affordable. So I'm talking too much. Let me just show you how it looks like. Ta-da! So this is how it came in. Ta-da! So this is how it comes. It's actually from, the company name is Stand. It says Stand Live Broadcast Selfie Stick. I think that's the company name. I don't know if you guys can see it. I was actually expecting it to be like, you know, big. Not, I know it's supposed to be handy. That's why I like it. I want it to be portable, but I never thought it was going to be like, you know, this portable. And you know, I kind of like it better now. So when you order from JUMIA, it comes like this in this package, and you get a slip too. This containing your order, your amount you use in ordering it. That's if you are paying on delivery, it will give the delivery person and you the idea of the amount you are going to pay, so there's no cheating. So, and also your address and everything, your details, it's inside the slip. So now let's unbox, like what this video is for. Let's unbox this selfie stick tripod. Let's go. So before we unbox this selfie stick tripod, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I do unboxing videos, give beauty tips. I do lots of reviews, product reviews, and also live lifestyle vlogs. So please subscribe to my channel to join the family. And if you are already subscribed, thank you, you're welcome. So we're going to be unboxing this now. So I'll just open it up from here and then take it out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, yay! So this is how it looks. It's so portable. Like, you can put it inside your bag, you can take it to anywhere you want to go to. And we need to, you know, be popping always. We need to take pictures always, especially when we go to places that we know that, okay, we don't have someone to, or you don't trust people enough to take you pictures. I'll show you why. So this is how it comes, and yeah, see how it looks. Wow. So this place, according to the video that I watched of the ad on the site, so you can actually, you know, put your phone here and then it can accommodate your phone, but it can't accommodate your tablet. I'm sorry, but I don't know, how would you even take pictures with your tablet? Like, you should have a cell phone, either your Android or your iPhone. So I'm currently using an Android phone, so I'll test it out and put the picture here. And it comes with a Bluetooth clicker. Like, guys, see, the reason why I actually love this selfie stick tripod is because this Bluetooth clicker, you can use this even without the selfie stick tripod. All you have to do is to connect this to your Bluetooth, that's your phone, and then put your phone, you can, even if you don't want to use this one, you can put your phone anywhere, and then maybe you put your phone in front of you, maybe on, you stand it somewhere, and then you just, you know, click this little button. You just click the little button and then you take your pictures. So it's really very handy to use. Like, you don't have to like wait for somebody to take you pictures. You just use this. So if you want to use the selfie stick tripod, this is how you use it. You just, oh my god, it's so long. Wait, let me do it again. Oh my god, it's so long. Like, I never expected it to be this long. So this is how it looks. Like, this is really nice. Like, you can actually, you know, take it back and then open. Oh my god, like, it's so nice. You can use this, like, it has so many usefulness. Like, the functions are a lot. Like, you can use this, you know, you can use this as a selfie stick. Then if you don't want to use a selfie stick, you want to, you know, snap a full picture and you don't have anyone there to take your pictures, or you just don't trust people enough to hand your phones to them, all you have to do is to just, you see this place, you just open it up, and then there you have it. You already have a tripod stand, like a tripod stand, guys, a tripod stand. So it's also, you know, handy for we YouTubers, small YouTubers, beginners that cannot afford a tripod. So I actually got it for 3,500. I think I bought the product for 2,500 and delivery fee was 1,000 naira. So everything total 3,500 naira. So it's very much affordable, and it's actually a beginner friendly. Like, you don't need any manual to use it, and you can use it for your YouTube videos, your TikTok videos. You don't need to carry a tripod stand everywhere you go. You need to take your pictures, maybe inside. You can take your pictures anywhere. Just stand this, like, you see how long this is. It's really nice. You just, you know, stand this on the ground, put your phone. So all you have to do is to put your phone in here. This is how it is, and guys, it is very much stable. Like, you know, I was actually scared that what if I place it on the ground and my phone falls and break. This one, it's very stable. Like, I can, you know, put it on the ground and my phone won't fall. All you have to do is to make sure you put it in a place that it's leveled, just so your phone doesn't fall. And this is how it is, guys. This is how it is. So this is the tripod stand, and this is the phone holder. So the one I actually love the most is this Bluetooth clicker. You can decide to take your pictures like this. You know, you can position your phone like this, and then with the other hand, make sure it's not hidden. Just, you know, you can snap like this, and then your pictures, you can just click here and your pictures will be taken. So I really love it. I would actually advise anyone that is just beginning to you know, fall in love with social media videos and pictures posting. So just, you know, go get yours. It's really affordable. It's just 3,500. I think what I would do is I would leave the link to the JUMIA site where I got this one. I'll try to look for maybe a more affordable one, or the exact store I bought from on Jumia. I'll try to link it down in the description box. But if you find any problem trying to order from Jumia this particular selfie stick tripod and you don't know how to go about it, you can just, you know, follow me on Instagram and send me a DM, or you can message me. You can send a message to my email. It will be down in the description box. So if you cannot, and also for YouTubers that are just starting to make videos on YouTube, you can use it for your YouTube videos. All you have to do is to put your phone and then put this on your table. You see how it looks like? It's like so many things you can do with it. Like, I love it already. So I really like the fact that I can take this everywhere I go to, anywhere I go to, and all I have to do is, when I'm done, I just, you know, take this back and then I just, you know, fold, and that's it. I can use this, you know, to take pictures, and when I'm done, I just put it in here. Don't know if you guys can see. Put it in here, and then that's all. It doesn't fall down, it won't fall. So you just do this and then put it inside your bag. That's how it is. Like, it's so portable, guys. I advise you guys to go do this. Like, Jumia is not paying me to do any of this. I am not being paid to do this, but if you know there's a way, you know, to do this influencing thing, like to be a brand influencer, I really want to. Jumia is not paying me to do any of this. So, but then I am open to promotions, I am open to business adverts and every other thing. So if you know you have business and you know your product is legit, then message me up, send me an email, or you DM me on Instagram. My contact will be in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. Please try to subscribe, like, share. See you in my next video. Bye.